Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw or transfer crypto from Kraken to Tangem wallet.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Kraken app or the Kraken web. Log in. Now find the transfer button. Click on it and tap on withdraw. Okay. In here, you're going to want to go ahead and select a crypto, okay? Click on it and just go ahead and find the correct cryptocurrency. For example, you'd like to transfer Bitcoin to your Tangem wallet, okay? Now go ahead and select Bitcoin. And after that, it will need the in the to section, all right? Or in the to field right here. Just go ahead and enter the withdrawal address. So what you'll do is just go ahead and open up your Tangem app. Then go ahead and generate a Bitcoin wallet address. Okay. Once you have generated the withdrawal address, go ahead and paste that in here. Okay. And after that, just go ahead and click on review, follow the simple prompts, and it will need you to scan the QR code or get the code from your two-factor authentication platform, such as Google Authenticator app. Okay. And then after that, you're good to go. That is basically how you transfer or send crypto from Kraken to Tangem wallet. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.